In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage comments in Adobe Acrobat Reader, a crucial skill whether you're collaborating on a document or just leaving yourself helpful notes for later. Now let's get started with Adobe Acrobat Reader and explore its robust commenting tools. First, let's open the PDF you want to work on. Once you have your document open, you'll need to access the comments toolbar. If you're using either Windows or Mac OS, you can find the comment or markup tools on either the right-hand pane or the left-hand toolbar. However, if you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Simply enable the comment panel by navigating through either the View or Tools menu, depending on which option you find more intuitive. Now that we've got the tools ready, let's dive into adding different types of comments. One of the most common annotations you might want to use is the sticky note. To place one, click on the note tool. It's often represented by a speech bubble, and then just click anywhere on the page where you want the note to appear. It's as straightforward as leaving a little digital sticky note for others or yourself to read later. If you're looking to type directly onto the document, then you can choose the Add Text Box tool. This allows you to insert editable text right on the page, which is especially handy for longer notes or when you want to ensure your comment stands out. Now, if you want to highlight specific text or passages, you can use the Highlight Text tool. Simply select the text you'd like to highlight. Similarly, if you want to underline or strike through text, there are tools available for these purposes too. These options are perfect for emphasizing or signaling changes within the document. If you're feeling creative or need to provide specific visual directions, there are drawing tools at your disposal too. Whether it's lines, shapes, or even freehand drawing, you have the flexibility to annotate in a way that makes the most sense to you and your audience. Once you've made your annotations, you can manage them through the comments pane, which is usually found on the right-hand side. Here you can see a list of all the annotations you've made. You have the flexibility to edit text, delete comments, change colors to make them more visually distinct, or even reply to others' comments if you're working on a collaborative document. Furthermore, if you're dealing with numerous comments, you can sort, filter, or group them by author, date, or type, helping to keep things organized and manageable. After you've finished adding comments and making annotations, don't forget to save the PDF. This way you'll preserve all of your annotations for future reference. If you're collaborating and ready to share the document for review, you can utilize the Send for Review or email options available in some versions of Acrobat Reader to distribute your annotated document to others easily. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to utilizing Adobe Acrobat Reader's commenting tools like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.